Hello.
What's up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, thank you so much. Where are you from?
England.
England. I'm from Bangladesh.
Cool.
That's it. I saw you were just sipping some drinks like is that Pepsi or Coca-Cola?
Pepsi.
Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Hi, how are
Good.
you?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Where are you from?
Guess.
Yes, United Kingdom. King.
No.
The king of the world. King of the world.
No. No.
So where?
India.
No. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
good.
Thank you. But I don't know why everyone is skipping me. Do I look like ugly or something else?
No, no,
But I don't know why everyone just say, "Oh, where are you from?" Bangladesh, and then they skip me. I don't know. What's the reason?
I don't know.
Where are you from?
So, UK.
UK. Well, I'm from Bangladesh, but when my guest just know the knows, oh, the guest is from Bangladesh, then they skip me. Ridiculous. Anyway,
It's fine.
anyway, you didn't do that, so thank you so much. Appreciate you.
It's okay.
Okay. So why do you stream here?
Nothing. I'm just here because I'm bored. I just speak to people.
Oh, that's so cool. But look, I'm really using this application probably just a couple of the days. Okay. But
Mhm.
I used to have another application which is called Bigo, and people can make money from this application like Bigo. But I think this is not really such an option that everyone can earn money from here, right?
No, this is like you just speak to strangers. If you want to learn English,
Yeah.
I think an app. Download Duolingo. Do you know the app?
Yeah, I know. I know the Duolingo.
Yeah. So
Yeah, but you know what? Once I really downloaded Duolingo application, but it was really quite poor actually. Not really inconvenient, but very good for a beginner. But
mhm.
in my opinion, having conversation with random people, especially who are basically from native English speakers, and that can make a big difference to learn English.
Yeah, it can. It can.
Yeah, actually. What do you do for life?
I'm studying law right now.
Studying. How old are you by the
17.
17? Very young, very young. But do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, why did you take a little break? Yeah, why?
Because I was just thinking. But
Okay,
yeah, I do.
okay, that's super. So, is it allowed to get a boyfriend before 18?
I don't know. Are you
You,
Muslim?
yeah, I am.
I don't know.
No, I thought maybe below of 18, they are not allowed to get a boyfriend or girlfriend, anything like that.
No, in the UK, everyone has a boyfriend. Like, everyone.
When did you
Doesn't
get
matter
your,
the age.
okay, when did you get your boyfriend first?
15.
15, 2 years ago. Okay. So does your family support that? Oh, I think they don't know anything about it.
No.
Okay, not bad, not bad. But all the way I can say, you have given me a long time. You are so
Mhm.
different, so different. If you want to escape me now, it's okay. I'm happy and having conversation with you.
Mhm.
Okay.
Um, I don't mind. I mean, I do need to go down because my mom's calling me.
Oh, okay.